What does that mean?
You're delicious.
Mereka lagi.
Now we meet again, right?
This is destiny again. Don't know it.
I told you.
Udah tukar baju.
Look at that.
It's destiny. It's fate.
I know.
I
You
know.
both have a boyfriend.
No, I don't have a boyfriend for you.
Ngapain?
No, she has, but I don't have.
If I have a boyfriend,
Hmm?
you.
Yeah, I'm single.
I don't think you can remember my name, but I can remember your name. Mira and Ice.
I remember your name. Dimas.
Dimas.
Thank God! Sorry. So, Mira and Ice, I want to sing a song for you guys.
Okay.
Special. This is special.
Yeah.
Your eyes to the camera.
Why?
No, I mean, I just want to see your eyes. Just your eyes. Both of you.
Kenapa ada kan betul?
Sorry. Alright. What are you talking about? I can hear you.
You fell in love with her, and she fell in love with you. And I'm single. Again.
But both of you guys can be my girlfriend. It's alright.
No.
What do you mean? Am I like? What does that mean?
You're delicious.
Dimas sini. Ada yang punya?
I see
Udah tahu ya?
forever when I look in your
Karena
eyes.
saya lihat
All I've ever want,
dia
always
sangat
want you
menjaga batas
mine.
di semasa di Omid ini.
Let's make a promise
saya
till the end of time. We'll always be together, and our love will never die. Let's make a promise. So here we are, face to face and heart to heart. Want you to know we will never be apart. Now I believe that wishes can come true. 'Cause I see my whole world, I see only you. When I look into your eyes, I can see how much I love you, and it makes me realize when I look into your eyes, see all my dreams come true. When I look into
Aduh, kayak
your
ngomong.
eyes. Oh my god, my cold so far. What did you say?
She
It's
said,
like
hey,
Astagfirullahaladzim.
she met you in real life, she would marry you.
Ah ya Allah, astagfirullahaladzim. Ah ya Allah.
Good.
Yeah.
Ya ampun Dimas.
Asli.
Thank you, eyes and mirror.
Ya ampun.
Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yeah.
Mira. Is that Mira or Mira? Mira.
Serem banget kalau lagi kayak gitu dia nih. Emang suka bercandaan lu. Apa lagi?
What?
Apa?
What happened?
She fell in love with you.
Hah?
Kenapa? Kena tangan tu?
Thank you, eyes. I love you too.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Ya Allah. Ya Allah.
I'm gonna cry.
Ya ampun. Kebawa.
With the
What kind of song is this? This is a new song. White Lion, When the Children Cry. He always better than the original, guys. Ooh.
Little child, dry your crying eyes. How can I explain the fear you feel inside?
Oh, wow.
'Cause you were born
His voice.
into this evil world where man is killing man, and no one knows just why. What have we become? Just look what we have done. All that we destroy, you must build again.
I like the song.
When the children cry,
Wow.
let them know we tried. 'Cause when the children sing, let a new world begin.
We want more. We want more.
Oh my god.
Even if he just plays the guitar, I'm happy.
Yes.
I suggest you guys, Mira and Ice, go to sleep.
You should go to sleep, girl.
You should go to sleep. What do you mean?
Sorry.
What? What are you waiting for? Sleep! Go back to your room.
What happened?
He's hungry now. They're fighting for
What is
him.
happening?
We're fighting for you.
No, only you.
You both can have me. Alright?
No.
Just don't fight, please. You don't have to be worried. I'm gonna take care of you guys.
Oh.
We have a problem. She has a boyfriend.
You just have to throw your boyfriend right freaking now.
That's him now.
Break up.
I break up with you. I love
Nice to
this
meet
girl.
you, Mira and Ice. I hope we get meet in real life as a friend.
Oh,
You're cute.
What have we
Thank you. You too. You guys are cute. You're nice persons.
Ya siktir git. Allah.
What? What did you say? Ice?
I don't marry you.
Fuck off.
Oh.
You don't want to marry with me?
oh.
No, she wants.
You.
And I told her to fuck off.
Nah.
You want to marry me?
Yeah.
Then give me a ring right now.
Yeah. I'll send you a ring.
Did you add us on Instagram?
Yeah, you gave me before, and my connection so bad, then I lost it. I swear.
Let me write it down.
So that's why they met again, because it's fate.
How do you know? We can.
Dan daripada gue dikasih di Instagramnya, lebih baik gue pura-pura disconnected.
What?
Oke guys, sekian
The
video
Instagram is not
ini.
meant to be, to be honest.
DMS TV. Kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, kalian bisa ikutin terus dengan cara subscribe dan nyalain tombol
Yeah,
loncengnya.
he's telling you to subscribe to my
Kalau kalian
channel.
nggak suka, ya nggak apa-apa, ditonton aja. Atau kalau nggak mau nonton, di dislike juga boleh. Itu hak kalian semua. Oke? Bye.
I don't know how to stop.
Peace out.